Well, hello there, YouTube family. Today I want to do something, and this is the simplest thing, but it's something that I did not do for a long time, and that is filling a mop bucket with water. Well, how hard is it to fill a mop bucket with water? Well, when you're adding chemical to a bucket of water, I had been doing it the wrong way for a long time. I wouldn't say it's actually the wrong way. I just think there is a better way. When I picked up this little trick, it really made a difference on not leaving a lot of suds on my floor when I was mopping the floor and having suds all over my mop. And so I'm going to show you that right now. Okay. First thing, you put your hose in there. And I'm not going to cut this up very high because I'm doing this one-handed because I don't want to make a mess. But what I like to do is I put the water in the bucket first. No soap. Water. And I don't overfill my bucket because I'm going to change this water when it gets full between classrooms or whatever. So I'm going to fill up to, right in here, just above. Another thing is handling this bucket can get really heavy when you're emptying it, so I don't like to fill it too full. Okay, now that I've got water in my mop bucket. I'm just going to put a few squirts of soap in there. Just about 5 squirts of soap in my water. And what you'll notice is that filling it up this way, you don't have all that foam water that's just bubbling up everywhere and gets all over your mop and everything. Because if I'd have put the soap in there first, if you've ever done that with car wash or anything like that, you put your soap in there first, what's going to happen is you're going to have a tremendous amount of soap, suds, and it just really gets all over your floor. And you dip your mop in here this way, you do get the chemical on the mop, and it just works out a whole lot better that way, for me. One other thing is I keep my mop bucket clean. I have seen Custodian mop buckets like down in here, it's just like black, nasty. This is the same mop bucket I use for bathrooms, I use for halls, I use for classrooms, I use it for everything, and I keep it clean. I keep a clean toilet brush. See if I got one right here. Hang on a second. Like this one right here, and this is a clean one. And I keep these and clean my bucket with this. Because there's nothing no worse than walking somewhere in and you see a nasty mop bucket, and I'm thinking, okay, they're using this nasty mop bucket and they're cleaning stuff and they're just spreading germs everywhere. So it's a good thing to do is keep our mop bucket clean. Fill it with clean water first and add the chemical, and that just makes things a whole lot easier. Just some advice. As far as mops go, I have a classroom mop, and I have it marked right up here. I don't know if you can see this. Classroom mop. Then right over here I have bathroom mop, and I have a red bucket, and I have a blue bucket. And red bucket, I do more for caution. Is hey, this bucket here is for bathroom only. I see it, and I have that for anybody that might be working out of my closet, and I have it well marked so they'll know. I even have it right on the mop handles. And I soak my mop every day. I rinse it out, squeeze it out, rinse it out, put it in fresh water, add chemical, disinfect it, and I leave them sitting overnight. And I wash them out and they're ready for the next day. We don't have a washing machine or anything like that, so that's the only way that we're able to disinfect our mop. We do that, and we haven't had any problem with our mop smelling. We put new mops on as needed, and it's just what we do. But if they get done, we're going to take this thing and I'm going to rinse it out really good, and then before I put it in my mop bucket. And we're ready to go for today. Is that pee on the wall behind me? It is pee on the wall. Ooh, I hate pee on the wall. Anyway, I hope today's video made a little sense about how, you know, to fill a mop bucket and putting the water first and the soap. And I will do a very detailed, more detailed video of how I clean my mops and stuff a little later. But the main thing is keep those mops clean, keep them smelling fresh, because I have walked in custodial closets and I'm telling you, the mops will knock you down. They just stink, and you walk in a classroom and it smells sour where it's been mopped with a dirty mop. I have seen custodians use the bathroom mop in the classroom. They never change a mop. That's just, it's just disgusting. Just about as disgusting as not keeping a clean mop bucket. So, as I always say, go out there and clean some commodes, take out some garbage, and sweep some halls, because I can promise you 5 minutes later, you're going to have to do it again. Oh yeah, and enjoy the bloopers. Well, this morning, let's do this again. Well, it's time to get this day started. So this morning I want to show you, let's do this another time.